I got this tree piece in one of my safari sets, and I love this piece. It's so versatile. And one of the things I was thinking about was this piece could be really cool, like in a haunted forest scene with that big old head, if you just kind of manipulate the minifigures enough. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna smooth off the top of this tree piece with a 2x2 tile piece of the same color. But you don't have to. You could do, like, you know, brown, black leaves, make it look more menacing, but I just like the smoother look. And then I'm gonna grab my minifigure, and now the minifigure, you just wanna, you know, the brown torso and the brown legs, and, you know, this comes with Wookiees, Ewoks, mine happen to be from the Tasmanian Devil, but these are not uncommon colors and pieces. So you just get the brown so it just disappears into the tree. And then once you do that, you just grab these different heads. And one head I really love is this Marvin the Martian head, because you got those big old eyes, and I thought that's actually like I see that in an animated show with the spooky trees. But when you put them on, you kind of see just how those eyes look inside that tree. And then also you could do a more skeletal look, because I know a lot of people aren't going to have Marvin the Martian laying around, but most of us have skeletons, and even a skeleton inside that tree just gives a nice haunted effect with the black and white, like this tree's coming alive. And some of us might even have a glow-in-the-dark minifigure head. And now, so if you put this on, you don't want the face printing to be there, but you kind of close this, now you've got this tree that's just glowing in the dark.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.